Okay, hello fifth graders. Thank you so much for checking in to my YouTube channel and accessing my videos for some extra math help. Good for you. That shows a lot of self-determination and motivation. Great work. Okay, so tonight for homework for math, I asked you to complete a math assignment based on the work that we did this morning during math. So I'm just going to pull up on my other screen what the homework is. So I'm going to give you some step-by-step support for tonight's math homework. Okay, so today in math, I taught you how to interpret a multiplication equation as a comparison. Whew, that is a lot of big fancy schmancy math vocabulary. So let me say that again. Today, I taught you how to interpret a multiplication equation as a comparison. So we're going to look at a place value chart. And we're going to talk about how values in each place value can be shown as a comparison through multiplication equations. All right, Bowers, stop talking some mumbo jumbo. Show me what you're talking about. All right, will do. So if you want to pull up your homework right now and look at it while I'm explaining to you, you can. All right. So the first math problem is giving you the equation 10 times 1 equals blank. Bowers, what are you talking about here? Okay, so there's a couple of ways you can look at this. You can cover up that word 1, and I just want you to think, what is 10 times 1? 10 times 1 is 10. We know this. We should know that very well. 10 times 1 is 1, right? And then just carry over this unit into my answer, right? So 10 times 1 equals 10 ones. So in your homework, I already filled in the place value chart for you. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how these two things match? 10 ones, 10 place value discs in the ones place, okay? So I taught you today that we can bundle groups of 10 to make a comparison into a larger place value. So you know from kindergarten and first grade, when you have a 10 frame, full, that's equivalent to a whole 10, right? So in kindergarten and first grade, you use 10 frames to show that this is a group of 10. This is 10 ones. 10 ones is the same thing as one group of 10. So 10, this is 10 ones. See how this is 10 ones? And it's the same thing as saying one group of 10. 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the same thing as one group of 10. It's a comparison using a multiplication equation. Okay? So, our answer for this problem on our homework is 10 ones or 1 10. They're the same thing. I'm going to erase.
Kindergarten and first grade busters, please dismiss. All kindergarten and first grade busters now dismissed.
All right, sorry, as you can hear, the in-person students are dismissing right now. Okay, now if we go on to the next problem on your homework, notice that there's 3 problems for your homework tonight. We're going to look at the next one. The next multiplication equation is 10 times 100 equals blank. So let's do 10 times 1. So same step, right? Ignore that word for a moment.
All second grade buzzers, please dismiss. All
So just
second grade
think,
buzzers now
what
dismiss.
is 10 times 1? 10 times 1 is 10. And then you can carry over that unit word, 100, 10, 100. I'm out of room, so I'm just going to abbreviate. So now I need to draw 10 place value discs in my hundreds place. So let's say this is the tens place. What's the next biggest? The hundreds place. I'm going to abbreviate again. And the next biggest is the thousands place. I'm going to abbreviate that too. So I'm going to draw 10 place value discs in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This work is already done for you in your math homework. I already did the place value discs for you. So here we have 10 hundreds. So think of it as a 10 frame again. We're going to bundle it. There's 10 of them.
All third grade buzzers now dismiss. All third grade buzzers now dismiss.
So if we were to skip count by hundreds, this would be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So 10 hundreds is the same thing as 1,000. So there's 10 hundreds. When you count by your hundreds and get to 10, let's try that again with my fingers. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Holy moly, 10
All
hundred.
fourth grade buzzers, please dismiss. All fourth grade buzzers now dismiss.
Sorry. 10 hundred. 10 hundreds is the same thing as 1,000. So 10 of these is equivalent to 1,000. So the answer to this problem would be 10 hundreds or 1,000. I hope this step-by-step was a little helpful for you. I'm not going to go over the third problem with you. I want you to at least try that one on your own. So please just remember, whenever there's a group of 10, bundle it and move it on over to the next place value. Because what we'll start to notice the rest of this week in math is that there is a pattern going on in the place value chart. Whenever we go to a larger place value, the value is actually increasing 10 times. So if you think, here's my ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. The ones place, we can use like the number 1, right? Well, what's 10 times as many as 1? 10, right?
All fifth grade buzzers, please dismiss. All fifth grade buzzers now dismiss.
And then think, well, what's 10 times as many as 10? 10 times as many as 10 is 100. Or what about what's 10 times as many as 100? What's 10 times as many as 100? 1,000. So we'll talk more about these patterns further on into the week as we continue to learn about place value.
Now dismiss. All walkers and pickups now dismiss.
I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll talk more about place value this week. All right, guys, off you go. Good luck.